So I found these super cheap fans, which I'll link in the description, and I wanted to test them before I had all my parts. I looked on the internet and couldn't find a method of doing so that didn't involve buying extra parts, which I did not want to do. So I found a super simple method of doing so that only involves a paperclip and a power supply. So here are the fans. They're on right now, and you can see there's nothing inside. I have my power supply off to the side, and that's all you need, just your power supply and your fans. So this is the fan I'm using. It is the Up Here fan. I don't know the exact name. I'll link it in the description like I said before. I'm using an EVGA 600 watt 80 plus power supply, and here is my paperclip. That's all you'll need for doing this. So you're gonna find your fan, and there should be this little connector. It's a 4-pin on this side, male, and a female 4-pin on this side. So you're gonna go find your power supply, and there should be a cable that corresponds to that with the same 4-pin, and you're just gonna plug them together. You plug those in, and that's it for this part. So then you're gonna have to find your 20 plus 4-pin connector, and there is all different colored wires, and you can see that the green one. You're gonna follow that green one, and it goes into this 4th pin right here, and you're gonna find that pin. You're gonna take your paperclip and you're gonna follow up to that pin and plug your paperclip into the green pin. Then there's 3 black ones right here, and you're gonna get the 4th from that side. So just, it doesn't really matter, just any black one, and you're gonna plug it in there, and then that's pretty much it for there. Now all you gotta do is plug in your power supply and turn it on, and there you go. Whoa, there you go. You got your RGB fan working. Now you can daisy chain as many as you want onto this right here. That's how I turned all of them on from one power supply. So you just daisy chain a bunch onto there, and that's how I got my entire case to turn on. There you go. That's how you can turn your case fans on with only using the power supply. Hope you like if you liked it, and dislike if you didn't like it, and thanks for watching.